Hey weirdos. It's Maggie. I am still driving to the jail, but I had another thought that I wanted to discuss with you. This is what I do to my family. As I'm driving, I call them and say, hey, I just thought up something. And then I just kind of continuously do that throughout the day. So you're in the loop, guys, for better or for worse. Anyway, so I wanted to talk to you guys about listing shoes. So I never wanted to get into shoes. It seems like an awful lot of, I don't know, something. A lot of stuff to do. Anyway, I watched a video by Jenna over at Empty Hanger, and that video is all about fixing up suede shoes and leather shoes. And I'm going to link that video down below. Oh, by the way, please subscribe. I'm going to link that video down below so that you can look and see how she does it. I am doing suede and leather in the same way that she does, and so far so good. It's really working, and the materials that I needed to do the processes that she recommended were very minimal cost. I think it was less than $20 for everything I needed, everything that she had on her video. So that was really helpful. But the thing that I'm enjoying the most about shoes are tennis shoes. And the ones I like the most are the little canvas tennis shoes, such as the Converse that I mentioned that I sold this morning. I also got a little canvas pair of Levi's tennis shoes that are really cute, and a vintage pair of Nike tennis shoes that are pink and really cute. So anyway, I just wanted to talk to you guys about what I do to get those shoes cleaned up. I have a bucket, just a cleaning bucket, and I put it in the bathtub and I throw the shoes in there, and if they're white, I put a little bit of bleach and a little bit of dish soap, and I just let them soak in hot water for a while, and then I put them in the washer. If they're not white, I dump just a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of Dawn dish soap in the hot water and let them just sit in there and soak for a few hours before I put them in the wash. And another thing that I've found is helpful is around the edges of the tennis shoes, there are often little scuffs and dirty spots, and I just take a toothbrush and some Dawn dish soap again, and I just scrub around the edges and a little bit on the bottom, but usually the dirt just soaks off on the bottom into the bottom of the bucket, and that's no big deal. And then part of me also didn't want to do shoes because I thought I'm gonna have to wash them, because a lot of tennis shoes, if they're dirty, obviously mom throws them in the wash, and that's what I do. But what I've found is I don't have to be in any hurry to get these shoes washed. And so I just wait until I know that I'm going to be having a laundry day, or I know I'm going to be running, like for the white Converse, I just waited till I knew I was going to be running a bleach load. Done. I didn't have to do a special load of wash for those. And the Levi's shoes that I washed yesterday, I just put in a load of dark clothes. So easy peasy. Didn't have to do anything much extra. When they come out of the wash, what I recommend, and it's working for me so far, again, this is non-information because I have no idea what I'm talking about, but I get some just plain white paper. I actually got a pad of drawing paper from Dollar Tree, big sheets of paper for $1. I think there's 20 of them in the pack or something. It's a lot. And I just wad it up and I stick it into the toe and the top of the shoe so that the shoe doesn't collapse as it's drying. And then I just leave that paper in there. I think it's really important not to use newspaper or anything like that, because I'm pretty sure that color could bleed out into the shoes, even if the shoes aren't damp, which obviously they're going to be when you get them out of the washer. So yeah, then just stuff them full of paper, let them dry, and I even photographed some of mine while they were still wet and then let them dry. So it's not a big deal. Much less of a problem than I thought. And the markup, the profit margins, couldn't think of the word, the profit margin on shoes for me is really good. And I'm excited about that. So Alrighty, that's more of my 2 cents. That's twice in one day I've checked in. And anyway, have a wonderful, safe day, and do subscribe, please, because I'm having a really nice time chatting with you guys every day. And I hope that you do download the Poshmark app and just get started. Check out my video that I posted about 5 tips as to how to get started. A lot of other people have done the 5 tips to get started on Poshmark videos too. So load up on those videos and download that app and get started. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.